Think of data structures as the different ways we organize and store information in a computer so that
The 4 built-in Python data structures. Python comes with 4 main ways to store collections of data right out of the box.
A dictionary stores data in key-value pairs. It's exactly like a real-life dictionary or a phone book.
Tuples are just like lists, but they are immutable, meaning they cannot be changed once created. Think of them like a GPS coordinate.
A set is an unordered collection where every item must be unique. It's like a bag of marbles. Putting 2 identical ones in still counts as one.
2. Linear to the resistance non-geostructures. As you get more advanced, you'll encounter that aren't built in, but are vital for solving complex.
We organize and store information efficiently. As a librarian, you use shelves, indexes, and return bins to keep things orderly.